Hey there, painting is definitely frustrating for newbies without knowing how to start. That's why I put together my one-day Blooms painting workshop live online. You'll be able to work with me from the comfort of home, from wherever you are, and watch me demo in front of you. I'll get to watch what you're doing as well and give you assistance, and we'll have a wonderful day together. Lots of great chats, lots of great tips, lots of great fun, and a great result at the end of the day. I'm doing across 3 different time zones, the UK and Europe, and then I'm also doing Canada and USA, and I'm also doing Australia and New Zealand. So you'll be able to join me in your time zone, which will be awesome. Now, what are we covering? We're covering how to handle acrylic paint in order to avoid the common mistakes students make and be able to get your paint handling up and make painting a pleasure. Then we're going to work on my no-fail Blooms painting method. I'm going to demonstrate how to build a painting from scratch, even if you've never painted before. So this is a no-fail method that guarantees results. And then at the end of the session, towards the end of the session, we work on getting the pro finish so that your painting looks stunning and you're going to feel proud to share it with others. We also have a follow-up painting review session that I've thrown in as a bonus, and you also get access to the recordings for as long as you like, and you can review and keep going until your painting is exactly where you want it. And we've got a group page for everybody doing this class. So I think it's going to be a wonderful time, and it's for a limited time that I'm actually doing the live components. So do come in and do join, and I'll see you in class. Love and Paintbrushes, Jacqueline Coates.